Hello, and welcome to the Astonous Ship demo. In this video, we will learn how to create a shipping label inside Salesforce. You can create a shipment record from any account, contact, or any standard or custom object record, or directly navigate to the Shipping Manager tab. In this demo, I will demonstrate creating a shipping label from a configured record. I am picking the order object for my demo, however, it can be any custom or standard object record which is configured for the shipping label creation flow. Let's navigate to the record, then go to the Related section, where you will see all the existing shipment records that belong to this specific record. Click the New Shipment button to create a new shipping label. This will take you to the Shipping Wizard, where you can review auto-populated information based on your configuration. The Sender Information section is pre-populated from your configured warehouse. The recipient and other information come from the configured order objects mapped fields. Now, provide the package details, verify the information, and click Get Rates. The system will display all the available shipping rates from the supported carriers. If some information is not populated, you can update the required fields and get the rates again. Select your preferred shipping service. You can compare the available rates, delivery dates, transit times, and other shipping details before selecting the best option. Once everything is verified, click Generate Label. The shipment record and shipping label will be generated successfully. You can print the label directly on your label printer using the Print Label button. The generated labels will be available under the Files section, where you can download and print them. That's all for this demo. Thank you.